If you use an RTX 4090 graphics card to install a for you industrial computer, do you know what will happen? Today, we will use this top-of-the-line graphics card RTX 4090 to complete the assembly of a for you industrial computer. Maximize the performance. This industrial computer is compatible with standard motherboards such as ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and EATX. This time we chose the ATX standard product EMA1304, which is equipped with Intel's latest 12th generation Core Alder Lake processor, configured with a PCHQ670 chipset, has 4 DDR5 slots, and supports up to 1 to 8 GB of memory. Looking at the coastline of the motherboard, it has ADP interface, an HDMI interface, a serial port, a VGA interface for USB 2.0 ports, 2 network port for USB 3.2 ports, and 3 audio interfaces. The expansion interfaces are also quite rich, including 1 PCIe X16 slot for PCIe X for slots and 2 traditional PCI slots, which can meet the expansion needs in various environments. As for the RTX 4090, there is no need to introduce it in detail. I believe that those who are familiar with graphics cards already know its power. As a GeForce GPU, based on the NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4090 has achieved a qualitative leap in performance, efficiency, and eye-driven graphics. Next, we will install the motherboard and graphics card in turn. At this point, the basic part of our high-performance for you industrial computer has been installed. Some of you may be curious, with such a powerful configuration, the operating temperature must be very high. Will it cause system instability? After all, as an industrial computer, stability is the most important thing. Seeing is believing. Let's test it directly. From the test results, we can see that even when running at full load, the CPU temperature remains within a safe range, which is quite reliable. This high-end for you industrial computer is very suitable for the field of intelligent manufacturing. It can be installed in the production line or industrial testing equipment and can easily complete industrial visual inspection or AI reasoning computing tasks. Well, if you have related product needs, please contact us and we can provide you with a series of customized solutions.